Hello students, welcome to Mary Mata High School Maswad. I, Mayuri Miss. In English, in second chapter, we had seen about the nature. So we had seen some words and we had also seen the poem. Based on that, now we are going to solve one classwork. Now, you want to identify the picture and tell the things that are present in the picture. Can you tell me what all things are there? Now see first one. What is this? This is sun. S-U-N, sun. Can you tell? S-U-N, sun. Now, second one. What is this? Clouds. C-L-O-U-D-S, clouds. C-L-O-U-D-S, clouds. Now next one, this. Which picture it is? Rainbow. R-A-I-N-B-O-W, rainbow. R-A-I-N-B-O-W, rainbow. Next, what it is? Tree. T-R-E-E, tree. So many trees are there. So, T-R-E-E, yes, trees. Understood? T-R-E-E, yes, trees. Next one. Which these two pictures are? Birds. B-I-R-D, yes, birds. B-I-R-D, yes, birds. Next one. What is this part of the tree called? It is called as trunk. T-R-U-N-K, trunk. T-R-U-N-K, trunk. Next one. What is this? These are flowers. F-L-O-W-E-R, yes, flowers. F-L-O-W-E-R, yes, flowers. Next one now. This side, green one, that are the leaves. L-E-A-V-E, yes, leaves. L-E-A-V-E, yes, leaves. Next one now. This blue color, what it is? River. R-I-V-E-R, river. R-I-V-E-R, river. Next one, this blue upside, that is sky. Yes, K-Y, sky. Yes, K-Y, sky. Next, here for the flower, one stem is there. What it is? Stem. S-T-E-M, stem. Yes, T-E-M, stem. Yes, T-E-M, stem. Next one, for the birds to fly, what is used? Wings. W-I-N-G, yes, wings. W-I-N-G, yes, wings. Next one, what is remaining again? Bushes. Bushes means what? Green small grass is there. That is the bushes. B-U-S-H-E, yes, bushes. B-U-S-H-E, yes, bushes. Next one, hill, means like this. Upper taller part it is. That is called as the hills. H-I-L-L, yes, hills. H-I-L-L. Yes, hills. All of you understood which all things are there in the picture? I think so all of you had understood. What all things are there? Birds, clouds, wings, leaves, rainbow, sky, trees, bushes, flowers, trunk, hills, river, sun, stem. Understood? What all things are there in this picture? So in this way, we had learned to observe the picture and write the things that are present in the picture. Thank you.